In this video, we will look at some custom audit functionality for HRSD. So HRSD uses the COE security policies to manage who gets access to what. I'm here in a security policy, and you can see that we have a group, the HR Talent Management Group, that has access to the all services in the HR Talent Management case, COE. So the goal of an audit is to verify basically two things about this security policy. Is this group supposed to have access to these services in this COE? That's the first question that we want to verify. And the second one is, are the members of this group correct? And by answering those two questions, or by verifying those two pieces of information, we can be assured that the right people have access to the right services or COEs. So this functionality that I'm about to demonstrate is the purpose of it is to confirm those two pieces of information. So the actual setup of this functionality is outlined in an article on my incident.do website. Screenshots and code and all that stuff for how to get this set up. In this video, I will just sort of demonstrate the functionality. I might get a little bit under the hood, but it's mainly going to be just a high level looking at how it works. So it all starts with a case, and I've created one already, but normally this would be done. You'd create one with a template on a schedule, every 60 days or every quarter or whatever it is that you want to audit your COE security policies. So I have the case here. So we're going to start by tackling the group membership. And there is a related link here, preview groups for membership audit. So I can click on that, and it will bring up an info message which shows me each of the groups that is contained in at least one COE security policy and who is the manager of that group. So I can see there's HR benefits, Abraham Lincoln is the manager, and HR Talent Management Group, where Able Tutor is the manager. So the reason we bring this up first is so we can go and fix anything that might need to be fixed. Maybe Abraham Lincoln is not the benefits manager, the HR benefits group manager anymore, and we need to get that fixed. Because our next step is going to be to send out tasks to each of these managers, asking them to confirm the members of the group. So we'll go and get our groups all fixed up with the managers, and then we'll come down to this UI policy, UI action rather, create group membership audit tasks. And we see HRSD group audit tasks created. Refresh the page to see all tasks. Might not have to refresh, it just shows up here. So that kicks off a flow which creates these tasks. And we can see we have two tasks here, one for Able Tutor, one for Abraham Lincoln, and it's to confirm the membership of the respective groups. And we can see the description field is populated with the members of the group. So please confirm that the members of the group are correct, and here they are. And this is an HR task type collect employee input. So there's actually an employee form behind it. Let's go and impersonate Able Tutor. Able Tutor will get an email saying that he has a task waiting for him in Employee Center. And so he'll come over to My Tasks. And Able Tutor's maybe been out of the office because he hasn't been doing his tasks. But we can see our task here, confirm membership of group HR Talent Management. And are we in the same... this was for Abraham Lincoln. Okay, that's why the list is a little bit longer here. So this is the Able Tutor list. He's got 4 members, including himself. And then here's the employee form here. So are the group members listed above correct? And if we say yes, we can just submit. But let's say we say no, and then it asks us to please describe the changes required. So let's say we want to remove Antoine. Okay, so Able Tutor will submit. And that's done for that. We'll end the impersonation. Okay, now we come back to our case. And we go down here. And actually, I should just mention, so because of the number of tasks that are created with a case like this, I've chosen to, in the layout, I basically got rid of the embedded list, and I created some relationships with some related lists down here so that it classifies the tasks into different tabs. And these tabs are based on the template in the task. So these are the group membership audit tasks that are sent out to the managers. These are the security policy audit tasks, which we'll look at in a second. And these are the audit change tasks, which we'll also look at right now, basically. So AbleTutor replied that it needed a change. So we can see that his task is complete, close complete, and the audit task result, which is a custom field, is set to fail. If we go in here, we can see, right, the audit task result is fail. And we also notice that there is another task that was created, an audit change task. And if we go into here, this task says that the following changes have been requested for the group HR Talent Management. And please remove Antoine Kuzma. Right, and after making the changes, send another HRSD audit task using the related link at the bottom of this form. So this task would be assigned to the person who is assigned to the case, the parent case. In this case, I didn't assign anybody, so it's just hanging out here, waiting for somebody to do something. So under normal circumstances, whoever is assigned the case or whoever's working this audit is going to go and make the change to the group to remove Antoine Kuzma. I won't do that here. I will just pretend like it got done. And then I want to send another task to AbleTutor in order to confirm the membership of the group with now with Antoine Kuzma removed. Of course, he'll still be there because I didn't do anything, but in theory, he would be removed if this were a real thing. So I come down here to this UI action, which is inside of the task, and it's going to create another membership audit task for that particular group. Whoops, I think I have some debug in there. Okay, so the task should have been created. If we go back to here, we can even see that here in the sibling tasks. We see a new confirm membership of group HR Talent Management for AbleTutor. So let's see, we'll come back into Employee Center and we'll impersonate AbleTutor. And so he gets another task. And this is the exact same thing. Of course, Antoine Kuzma would be removed. And this time, AbleTutor is going to say, yes, these members are correct. Okay, now we come back to our case. Let's end our impersonation. We come back to our case. We'll reload. Oh, we're in the task right now. Okay. And so now we can see that this is passed. Membership of HR Talent Management. So this exact same workflow would happen for every one of the groups that were done, and in that way we would confirm that the groups have the correct members. I would actually also close this when I finish that. Okay, so now let's go to the second step of this, which is to verify the COE security policies themselves. So I can come over here to create COE security policy audit tasks. And it's going to tell me that the audit tasks have been created. So now if I come down here to the COE security policy audit tasks, I see 2 of them because there are 2 active COE security policies. One for talent management, the other one for total rewards. So I can go into these. And so go to the COE security policy record, verify the configuration, then click on close audit task for this policy related link. So we can go over to our security policy. Okay, I come in here and I say, okay, does HR benefits, are they supposed to have access to all services in the HR total rewards case? Yes, okay. So then I come down here and do this related link, close audit task for this policy. And we can see in the related list down here, HRSD audit tasks, you can see the task that was created and which is now closed complete. And if we go into this task, we can see the audit task result is pass. And in the close notes, we see a snapshot of the COE policy, security policy. So this tells us, hey, what did this policy look like at the time it was approved, or the time it was, audited or verified, or however you want to say it. So it gives us a record of where it was when it was approved. So again, I would just do that same thing for each of the security policies until I got to the bottom of the list. So using these 2 verification methods, the membership for the groups and verifying the security policy tasks themselves, I can affirm at the end of this, when I close this case, that indeed each person in HR has access to what they are supposed to have access to, and there aren't any erroneous policies or group memberships. So thanks for watching.